Adjustment of the feeder after loading the material. This material varies in thickness. Some parts are thick, others are thin. During normal production, if the feeder presses the material too tightly, it can cause deformation or leave pressure marks. If it's too loose, the material may slip during feeding, resulting in uneven feed length. Therefore, we need to pay attention to adjusting the clamping force of the feeder on the material. So the clamping force of the feeder on the material is as follows. We can start by loosening this screw. Then rotate the material adjustment handle on the feeder. This allows you to adjust the clamping force of the feeder on the material. Normally, the more you press the adjustment handle downward, the tighter the feeder clamps the material. When you rotate the adjustment handle upward, the feeder clamps the material with less force. This way it's too loose. When the tightness is about right, we need to move the release handle up and down. Allow the release bracket to move up and down with a gap of about 5 mm. Then tighten this screw. Hold the material by hand. When the machine rotates, the material should not slip. If there is a change in the thickness of the steel material, we must readjust the clamping gap of the feeder. During the adjustment process, we must pay close attention. Be precise and loosen this screw. Otherwise, you won't be able to adjust the clamping gap of the feeder.